Imagine a world without butter, no golden spread on warm bread, no rich flavor melting into your favorite dish. Butter is more than just a food. It's a story that stretches back through the ages. Over 9,000 years ago, our ancestors first stumbled upon this creamy treasure. Legend has it, nomads discovered butter by accident, milk sloshing in animal skins, transformed by the journey. Since then, butter has traveled across continents, becoming a beloved staple in kitchens everywhere. For centuries, making butter was a labor of love, hours of patient churning, hands working in rhythm. Today, that ancient process has evolved. Butter is crafted on a massive scale, with precision and care. Join us as we follow butter's fascinating journey, from humble beginnings to your table. Now that we've set the stage, let's step inside a modern butter factory. Ever wondered what really happens behind these doors? Get ready to discover the fascinating process that transforms fresh cream into the butter we all enjoy. After the cows are milked, the journey continues with a crucial step: separating the cream from the milk. Fresh, raw milk is collected from large dairy farms and carefully transported to the factory in insulated tankers, preserving its quality. At the factory, every batch is rigorously tested for quality, fat content and safety, ensuring only the best milk moves forward. Next, the milk enters a powerful centrifuge, spinning at high speeds to separate the rich cream from the skim milk, setting the stage for the transformation into butter that's about to unfold. After the cream is carefully separated from the milk, it moves on to a crucial stage: pasteurization. Here, the cream is heated to around 85 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. This vital step destroys harmful bacteria, ensuring safety while preserving the cream's delicate flavor. Pasteurization isn't just important, it's required by law in most countries to protect consumers and guarantee quality. Once pasteurized, the cream is cooled and aged in large vats at about 8 degrees Celsius. This aging process, lasting several hours, deepens the flavor and prepares the cream for the next stage of butter making. The moment has arrived. The aged cream enters the churning stage, the very heart and soul of butter making, where magic truly happens. Inside the churn, powerful paddles whip the cream into a frenzy, energy building with every turn. At first, the cream thickens, transforming into a rich whipped cloud, anticipation rising. Then, suddenly, a dramatic transformation unfolds before your eyes. The fat molecules begin to unite, clumping together in a thrilling moment of change. As the liquid buttermilk breaks away, leaving behind the golden promise of butter, the transformation is complete. Yellow butter grains gleam in a sea of white, a triumphant finale to this remarkable process. After churning, the buttermilk is carefully drained from the butter grains. This leftover buttermilk is often reused to make other dairy products. Next, the butter grains are thoroughly washed several times with cold water. This step is essential. It removes any remaining buttermilk, which is necessary to prevent spoilage and extend the butter's shelf life. Proper washing also improves the butter's taste and color, preparing it for the next stage of production. The kneading phase is a crucial step in butter production. Here, rotating blades press and fold the butter repeatedly, ensuring an even, consistent texture. This process, known as working the butter, transforms it into the smooth, creamy product we recognize. During kneading, salt may be added, either to enhance flavor or to act as a preservative. For unsalted butter, this phase simply preserves its pure, mild taste, ready for packaging. Quality control is at the heart of every step in butter production, ensuring that what reaches your table is nothing short of exceptional. Advanced inline sensors meticulously check the fat content of every batch, guaranteeing that each block of butter meets the highest legal and taste standards, usually around 80% butter fat. This careful attention to detail builds trust and anticipation for the delicious final product. The shaping and packaging process gets butter ready for consumers. First, butter is shaped into large slabs by extrusion. These slabs are then cut into uniform blocks. The blocks are wrapped in foil or placed into tubs, depending on the brand's packaging style. All of this is done in a sterile environment, ensuring the butter stays fresh and safe for consumers. Once each pack is carefully labelled with the production date, batch number, and storage guidelines, the journey continues as the butter is boxed, palletized, and moved into refrigerated storage. From here, trucks are loaded and set off towards supermarkets, wholesalers, and export docks, each step bringing the butter closer to your table. Throughout this process, temperature is strictly monitored, with most butter kept between 1 and 5 degrees Celsius until, finally, it arrives at the market, ready for you to enjoy. Laboratory testing is a crucial step to guarantee butter's quality and safety. Random samples from every batch are sent to the lab, where experts check for fat content, microbial safety, and moisture levels. They also evaluate taste and aroma to ensure every batch meets strict standards. If any test fails, production stops immediately for a thorough inspection and correction, protecting both quality and consumer safety. Imagine this moment. Even in a world of machines, the human touch remains irreplaceable. Expert tasters bring passion and intuition, carefully judging texture, mouthfeel, and those subtle flavor notes that no machine can truly capture. Their senses are the guardians of quality. Thanks to them, every bite delivers the rich, familiar butter experience we all anticipate and cherish. After packaging, butter's journey isn't over. It's carefully stored to preserve its quality. Refrigerated, it can last up to 4 months. And when frozen, its shelf life extends to a full year. But speed matters. Many brands work quickly to get butter out the door, with some batches arriving in stores just 48 hours after production, bringing us closer to the final step in butter's remarkable journey. Butter's journey is more than a process. It's a story of care, tradition, and innovation. From the gentle separation of cream to the artful refining of texture, each stage reflects dedication and expertise. Every detail is carefully watched, ensuring quality and consistency with every batch. Even as technology advances, the human touch and passion remain at the heart of butter making. Butter beautifully connects our past to our present, reminding us that every pat on the table carries a legacy of tradition, progress, and joy. The next time you savor that golden spread on your toast, or stir it lovingly into your favorite recipe, take a moment to appreciate the remarkable journey. Beginning on a peaceful dairy farm, passing through hands that honor tradition and precision, and transformed in a factory where simple cream becomes something extraordinary. Butter, more than just an ingredient, it's a golden touch that brings warmth and joy to every table. Enjoyed learning about butter's journey? Hit subscribe for more fascinating stories, give this video a like, and share your thoughts in the comments below.